Hello guys, today I'm gonna be doing this thing called a mukbang. I saw them do it, so I wanted to try it as well. Alright, let's start. We have pizza, beef soda, corn, and phone. Let's begin. Let's start with the pizza. Oh no, I'm 2D. Let's hope the beef soda helps. Okay, the beef soda did not help, but it tasted very good. Hey there, I see you're doing some eating. Can I join? Yes, you look delicious. I'll eat you. Wait, what? Are you committing cannibalism? He was delicious. But why do I have this stupid hand? I'm 3D and I don't want this hand. I hate these hands. Alright, I'm gonna eat the corn and I hope the corn removes these heckin' vine boom sound effect. Oh no, what is he doing here? Swallowing noises. It is I, unfinished Bambi. I'll continue. I feel a lot more powerful after eating that guy that has the corn. Anyways, I'll continue this mukbang. Phone. I mean, apple. This looks like apple. So I think it's apple. Wait, this no apple. This phone! Ah! Why did you eat me? I'm angry now, so I'm now a bit angry. I'm angry and I'm gonna eat you. Shut up. No one likes you. Your laptops make you stupid. You're stupid. Why you bully me? Alright, our mukbang is done. Moral of the video, don't do mukbangs, okay?